Can I just kill him?
User left
I'm
your
stuck
channel.
inside this guy.
Get it out.
You know what? I can still spectate the game. It's okay.
I have to read out.
There we go.
I'm gonna search the surface, not that.
I like how I can spec the game even though I'm like 20 feet away.
Bro, glare sounds a bit edgy.
Oh, what a shame.
Okay.
You know, a little bit of blundering.
A little bit of fucking trolling.
Another blunder. Oh,
a little
man.
bit of trolling. We're doing a little bit of trolling.
Just a tad bit.
Tad bit of tomfoolery.
Just a tad bit of Tom.
Alright, PK.
Alright,
What?
I finally finished making the Sims room, so congrats, finished. Yeah, guys, come over here to Lenny's if you want to see the current Sims. Feels a little bit empty.
I'm watching this chess game. Give us a second.
So, Letty's correct?
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, Omega's just talking to a bunch of site staff and whatnot.
Get that fucking dog picture out of here, bro. Get that shit out of here.
Dog pictures? An actual dog.
If I actually crash.
Dog jump scare.
Good stop, actually.
Dog jump scare.
Yes.
Alright, PK, if you win me, if I don't checkmate you under 30 seconds, I'll surrender, and therefore you win.
Wait, what?
I was gonna ask Pete if he wants.
Against me? Against me? Right now? Against me, descent? Right now? Right now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Nope.
Alright, bet. I'll play you. I'll play you.
Hey, I got a fucking dog
User
picture. What do I
joined
do
your
with it?
channel.
Dog jump scare.
User joined your channel.
What?
Descent, where are you right now? Me and
I'm
you,
joining
Chess.
the server.
What happened in here? Why there artillery?
Alright,
Was it
I
Watson?
went to go
What
cook
did
dinner.
Watson
Good
do?
There's
luck, y'all.
artillery?
Alright, see ya.
Yeah, there'll be artillery in the Humvee. Where are you guys?
Lenny's.
It's Watson.
It's me.
What type of Sims are we doing?
Defense versus offense.
The type of Sims we're doing is great.
Alright, PK, come on, come to the chessboard.
There's already people here to Sim.
I know.
Use
Just wait for them to
outlaws.
finish.
Y'all not done yet? Come on, be smart and win. Like me.
Dude, there's
What?
one move I really want him to do. God damn it, bro.
User joined your channel.
Then make him do the move.
I can't.
Yeah, blackmail me.
What?
I mean, the moves you're making right now are alright too. So.
The Sims are already finished, guys. If you want to come over here to let me see them.
Oh, I just a robot dance and now my head's in the void.
Wait,
I can
what?
see all, and all it is brightness.
Lester, what is this?
What am I witnessing right now?
A crime against humanity in progress.
Posing.
Huh?
Oh, and now I can move like this. Look how cool I am. Look how cool. Look at me. Look at me. You see this, man?
Golly.
Dude, trust. B8 for the win, bro.
Not
Trepidation.
going V8.
User
Yeah,
left your channel.
whoever wins this decides if V8 comes out or not. So if Soul wins, it's V8. If Bobby wins, she doesn't get V8.
Oh,
Trepidation. How are you not a TC?
nice, nice.
You're not EC yet.
A TC.
Yeah,
I
get,
know,
get, get this man event coordinator.
Yeah,
I was.
trepidation.
Bro, like he would actually be again.
He was an EC. He was.
Yo, get this man EC again.
You get it again. Go it again. Quick, quick, quick.
I'm gonna make a recommendation.
Hold on, who's becoming EC?
Me, can you
Trepidation.
make me
The-
EC?
Oh, August, you want to be EC?
Can I be EC? Can I be EC?
Not until V8.
Well,
What about
Damn.
trepidation? That
What
man's
trepidation,
top
though?
G, big G.
top G right
Oh,
there,
God,
man.
top G for real, for real,
Oh,
for real. He knows
free.
what
Like
he
take
My
a look
money.
at Lenny's.
Trust
Look
me,
at
it's
that.
free.
He's a top G in the making, man. Is what he
Right.
is.
Well, all EC applications,
he's
well,
a-
not applications, but we're not accepting ECs until V8.
The top G
Well,
one.
at
Top
least for
G,
the
top
next
G.
week or so.
Oh,
Probably until V8.
V8 leak, V8 leak.
Next
V8
week.
leak. V8 leak, V8 leak.
Are you serious?
Well, no, I can't remember if Entity
you're
said not
serious,
for 2
mister?
weeks or not for until V8.
No, some
When
guys
did
just
he-
someone
when did he
fix
say that though?
Come on,
When did he
checkmate
say
already,
not for
man.
2 weeks?
He's not moving.
Can someone win, please?
Can someone win, please?
Are they still doing RP with Quebec?
Quebec
God,
gone.
gee.
How do you like the dogs at the table?
Get off that damn board.
Get off the table. I can't see.
Dude,
Run
I
as
hear
fast as
dogs
you
all
can. You can't catch me on the gingerbread man.
Shut up.
Get off the damn board, man.
You can't say
Oh,
that.
do
That's
we-
the sin.
Huh?
Go.
Alright, listen. If I can stay for 30 seconds against you,
Mm-hmm. What do you mean? What?
What do you mean by
If I don't checkmate him in 30 seconds, I will resign.
Oh, you guys are playing chess? Checkers is better, Lamar.
Disagree.
Debate me, pal.
No, agree with the settlement,
Debate me, pal.
In checkers, you can only do 2 moves.
But in chess, it's
Hey, we
pretty
have a
mid,
crone
pal.
base. We have a crone base.
You're mid.
I think you have a lower.
Can someone let me out of Lenny's?
Bro, who's this fucking bird?
Yo, what the bird doing?
Shout out to the burn.
Yo, not gonna lie,
Alright,
the bird
so who's gonna be
he ain't even that fast.
partaking in the sim?
I
Yo,
love
bird's
the
gonna
world.
win.
Crow,
You shouldn't be
you're gonna
mad.
watch
He's
this
gonna
horrible
admit
chess
that.
match be over in less than 20
Sure.
seconds.
Poke me.
At
West,
least
poke
you
me, poke me
can't
on the
stop
head.
moving
Yeah.
forward.
Sacrifice your team, and we
Is the
have
bird
Finch.
stabbing
Bro,
people?
What the hell?
Wait, I kind of
Bastard, come here, come here.
Brent stabbing.
Come here.
Wait, where's the bird?
Bro, I
Come here.
came
Where, bro?
back.
That's gotta be
Come
another
here.
one or something.
Bro,
Come here.
bro, I came back from taking a sip on my Coke Zero, and all the damn crow.
Come here. Where's he at? Where's he at? Get it.
This chest is my sim.
Yeah, this chess match is way.
Alright, yeah, I win.
Can we not hit this guy? Is he immortal?
Wow. That's
Alright,
great.
guys.
It's leaving, get it, get it.
Stalemate incoming.
He won the bench.
Are we doing Sims or not?
Yeah.
The sims are being cancelled because I fucking crashed. Actually, crazy.
I'm very sorry to hear that.
Did
Best
you at least
timing.
get it duplicated? Actually, I
No,
don't
it's
even-
still here. It's still here.
Just get a
Is
queen
this
already.
a common,
Damn,
like, just dead?
I'm loading up that fast.
Me and Omega are
Okay,
still
come here.
have
what- PK, come here. It's about to be over. Come here. Let's play.
If this fool can just check him instead of getting
I'm
some.
gonna get as many queens as I want.
Les, what'd you say?
Oh, he crashed.
Yeah, he crashed.
Just resign already, Bobby. Just resign. Don't let him checkmate you.
Come on, Bobby, you got this. You got this. You got the skills. You got the skills. You got the skills.
No, he doesn't.
What do you mean?
He's going for the 4th queen.
Bro,
You fucking
aren't those
betcha, pal.
kings? Or is that aren't those kings?
Queen.
Those
The
are
kings are the ones you're
she's-
supposed to defend.
There's too many queens to count, bro.
Bro, I'm
Just keep going, bro.
stuck in the head.
He's thinking. Oh, it's over.
My face went staircase?
No way. Staircase.
My first mate.
Yeah.
Hey, who stole my
Alright.
seat? Dad,
Me and
you
you
stole
just
my
no,
seat,
it's,
man.
don't-
no,
don't
resign,
kill it, don't
resign
kill it.
right now, resign right now. It's me and the sin. It's me and the sin.
I'm
Who
offering,
is it,
bro.
bro?
I will not resign. I will offer draw.
Hey guys,
Hey,
you wanna see
can I,
something really cool?
uh,
Hey, guy.
Alright, draw.
Alright, John, we're drawn.
Guys,
Alright,
you
just
wanna
sit-
see
just sit
something
right now.
really
Me and you
cool? You guys wanna see something really cool?
Stop.
Look in OC chat
Wait,
right
I
now.
can't
Look in
play.
OC chat. Look in OC
Can't
chat.
play.
Whoa, no.
Look in OC.
This
No, we can't play.
No, not more Sky you.
I can't play.
Alright,
Oh my
so
god, I
how
can't
much?
play.
I still have
No, it's 'cause I-
comms.
Wait, you can't play? Wait,
No, I
does that
can't
mean
play.
I'm winning? Does that mean I
No.
win? Does
No,
that
it
mean
means you
I win?
resign. It means you resign so we can try this.
I'm not resigning to you, man. I'm not resigning. You resign to me. Or else
I
we're gonna
can't.
stay here until
Oh
your
my
time runs
can't.
out.
god! Look at go in
I
chat
can't
and look
play.
at someone and look at a
Then we're just
Daycash's
gonna
name.
sit here for 9 minutes.
Oh my god,
Alright,
Sky, you simp.
I'm gonna I'm ready to kick you.
God.
Oh, here's dude. Right,
Hold
here's
on.
the game.
Wait a minute.
Z.
Oh, never mind. It
Alright.
fixed. It fixed. All right.
The crows
The
back.
30 seconds start now.
fucking
When the 9 hits 0. All right.
Yo, the bird got
Alright.
grabbed to go. What the heck?
God,
Oh,
Blair
no,
sound
no, no,
so.
The bird has a gun.
Ha.
User left your channel.
May I poke the foundation
Queen.
by shooting that?
Queen trade?
Shit.
No, no queen trade.
I guess you gotta do
Oh,
it.
bruh, no way, Sky.
Oh
you simp.
my
Hey,
god!
yo.
Snowball changes Steam name
Get away,
to
you
Sky you
psycho
simp.
bird.
Wow.
Bring back Sky you.
So.
You're made for me.
So am I not allowed to shoot the foundation towers?
If there's someone in it, you can.
I can shoot the foundation tower.
Yeah, you can. It's not part of the safe zone if they're on top of the
No,
tower.
I just want to shoot it.
Yeah, you can. You can do that, but be afraid that you're going to let the horde when you do that.
Oh, all right. Let's see what this does then.
Usually, when you shoot the tower and there's people in the safe zone, they all come
Got so fucking
going out.
confused.
Oh God, there's a crow. It's circling the foundation base.
Bro,
What the fuck?
kill it. You get extra protein.
Well,
Protein.
gonna keep-
You did
I'm
not
gonna
just say.
keep
You did not just
protein.
utter
Bang,
the
bang,
word
bang, bang,
protein.
bang,
Hasn't said
bang,
protein,
bang,
man.
bang, bang. And I'm out of ammo for my pistol.
Stop
I know
not letting
someone
me
did
cream
not
you.
utter the words protein in this chat.
You're cracking up, bro. You're cracking up.
Thanos, are you okay?
You guys are fucking like gremlins, dude. What am I hearing?
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
I was
Let's
back.
go! No! White! I win! I win! I win! I win!
You win?
Yes, I win! Look,
No, you
it's
don't.
past 30 seconds. It's past 30
I said
seconds.
a minute.
No, you. That's my muscle man impression.
Yo,
I
what
said a
SC
minute
what,
though, man.
What SCP is 284?
Oh my god, the crow has a firearm.
Crow is a fucking gat.
Weaponized crow.
Crow is a block.
Weaponized crow. Oh.
Block.
Anybody know what SCP-284 is?
No.
284. I don't know.
Yeah.
Though I do think I see a gigantic blob in the sky.
Not asked.
Out of
Wait,
character, y'all remember
hold
when
on, I
001
see
was
something
above
in the
Joe's?
tree. I see something in a tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do as well.
Yeah, I do
It's-
as well.
It's a fucking chair.
It's a chair.
I remembered when
Yeah,
it was
come back to base. There's a chair in
Hold on,
a
I'm
tree.
coming over. I'm coming over.
Hold on.
Why is there a chair in a tree?
I also remember when the first time I raised it caused the code black.
Let's go.
There's a fucking chair in the tree.
I win.
Oh my
It's not letting me
god.
pre-move. It's not
I'm
letting
on
me
top of
pre-move,
the
bro.
base.
The
so
set,
I
you
win.
did not command.
I win.
It's not letting me pre-move, bro. I swear.
Where are you?
That's my win.
Hold on,
that's
I'm
my
jumping,
win.
I'm jumping, I'm
Listen,
jumping,
that's-
I'm jumping.
Nah, it's not your wing, man. I guess we're playing
You
here.
just-
so-
Oh my god.
I said
Okay,
10
okay,
minutes, man.
what?
I said 10 minutes.
Then get the fuck
No,
out of
you
here. Get this
didn't.
guy out of here.
No, you
Get-
didn't.
Ugh.
Get
I
this
said
out
10
of here.
minutes, man. I said 10
Get
minutes.
this out of here. Listen, you're just salty that I'm
Look,
good
he's
enough
over
to
here,
stay
over
alive.
here.
Alright?
Why
That's
is
all
this
I'm saying. That's all I'm
troll
saying.
pro?
Well, that's what I hear.
Bro, are you good
That's what
enough
I
to
hear
win?
right now.
I'm not resigning. I guess we're sitting here 10 minutes.
Like, it's
User joined your
right
channel.
there. Hold on, let me back up.
Stupid this is.
Oh, what the?
Oh, he's climbing the tree. Bro really climbed a tree for a
Oh,
freaking
there
chair.
is a chair.
I won fair and square descent. And what do? You say that. Oh, this is my win.
You know what I'm hearing right now?
won
You know what I'm hearing?
How about
That's what I'm hearing right now.
Yeah, that's what
What
I'm
do you
hearing,
like?
man. I swear.
User joined your channel.
You sound like the thing from Animal Crossing.
Oh,
Bro, what the fuck am I
God,
hearing, dude?
I'm going mentally insane in here.
What the fuck?
Alright, who the hell just turned into
I am
damn
in the chair.
dragon from Scooby-Doo?
Jaggy.
Zoink Scoob.
Zoink skeeb.
Homer.
Shut up. Just shut up.
What a minute.
But Marge.
Shut up. Shut up.
Bro, that did not sound like a
what the
Homer
fuck
movie.
am I
Nice
hearing?
shorts.
Eat my
Y'all sound like a fucking crackhead house of the Homer
We are a-
Simpsons.
Descent, you can staircase.
Detonates an alpha nuke. Detonates alpha warhead.
I'm just going to shoot
Eat my
the
sword.
tower still.
You get there, John.
You
Jamar.
literally told
Send
me.
help.
You.
I don't know what you're
told
saying,
me.
man. I don't know what you're
Are
saying.
you stuck?
You
I
guys
didn't hear
all
anything
heard it.
about
You guys
that.
all heard it.
I didn't
I
hear
don't,
shit.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Sorry,
if
who?
you get
Who
30
were you?
seconds with me, I will give you a free
I
dog.
don't know what you're talking
And then he
about,
comes,
man.
give it to me.
Chank,
He's
man.
alive.
I don't know what you're
Jesus.
talking about, man.
The SWAT armor is on surface. I'm saying it again.
I do not know what you're talking about, mister.
Someone grab.